Top 5 uses of conversational AI in retail. The retail industry is perhaps the first, most important industry where conversational AI has shown its progress best, and it's only solidifying its grip. Conversational AI is perhaps the most ambiguous in the retail industry, more than anywhere else. 1. Chatbots are perhaps the best example of conversational AI in retail. Chatbots generated by artificial intelligence assist customers with more streamlined shopping experience. This is not something that can be done effortlessly by customer care personnel 24/7 with accuracy. Chatbots can answer any questions regarding inventory, supplies, product recommendations, prices, offer durations, and more, all in real time with reliable accuracy. 2. Virtual shopping assistants are driven by conversational AI. Virtual shopping assistants are particularly helpful for customers who want to explore online services. A notable problem with online retail shops is that customers don't know how the products look or feel in real life, which prompts people to mostly buy from offline avenues. Having conversational AI helps people by giving verbal clarifications and advice as people shop, which can be encouraging and make the online experience even more comfortable. 3. Employee onboarding is made easier. Conversational AI can help with employee onboarding procedures as well. This is particularly useful to make sure that new employees are getting all the precise information about their job and don't have to rely on existing employees or management for help. This will reduce the workload on retail management and can speed up the process. 4. Self-checkout groceries are the future. Self-checkout groceries heavily utilize conversational AI to guide consumers through the shopping process. This system requires negligible human intervention and has proven to be a success among customers too. Due to their efficiency, soon self-checkout groceries might become the norm. 5. AI makes management more efficient. In terms of management, conversational AI has a multitude of advantages. It can update inventory stocks in real time, manage busy queues via contactless payment, keep records, and extract any errors that might be there while proceeding or predicting future sources of error in the management procedure. If the retail industry can strike the right balance between automation and healthy employee culture, the industry will flourish more, as nothing is better than the collaboration of content employees and artificial intelligence. This will result in better services for customers, better management, and more cost-efficient solutions.